What does my brother's dirt bike look like?
What?
I said, what does my brother's look like?
What?
Do you speak English, motherfucker?
What?
What country are you from?
What?
Where? There's no country called what? Did you steal my brother's bike?
What? I don't...
What did it look like? What did it look like?
What?
You son of a... Say that one more time. I dare you. I double dare you, mother... One more time. What color was the bike?
Red and white.
Listen, my brother doesn't like anybody riding his bike but him. You get that?
What?
I said, do you get that, motherfucker?
What?
Nobody rides my brother's bike. Where is it? I said, did you steal my brother's bikes?
No.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
No.
You read the Bible, son?
Hell no.
Well, I've got a verse memorized that's perfect for occasions like this. The path of the righteous motorcyclist is beset on all sides by the iniquities of the selfish and the tyranny of evil bike-thieving men. Blessed is Kaplan America, who in the name of charity and goodwill shepherds the weak through the valley of darkness. For I am truly my brother's keeper and the finder of lost motorcycles. And I will strike down upon thee with great vengeance and furious anger. And I will strike down upon thee those who attempt to steal and destroy my brother's bikes. And you will know my name is the Lord when I lay my vengeance upon thee.